Go ahead, Coach Cheng.
Thank you, Coach Noemi. Good morning po, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, and lahat po ng nandito sa Zoom. And of course, lahat din po ng nasa FB Live. So, i-share ko po ang aking journey po with Herbalife before i-share ko po yung ating special topic for this morning. So, ito po, nag-start po ako as a client lang din po ng most of us. So, for the first 10 days po, nag-lose lang po ako ng 5 pounds, but it's a big results na po. So tinuloy-tuloy ko po, nag-join po ako ng weight loss challenge, and ginamit ko din po siya for sports nutrition as a Dragon Boat athlete. And of course, ginamit ko din po sa aking 2 pregnancies as prenatal supplements. Of course, with the permission of my OB. And kasi po yung OB ko din po ay pro Herbalife. So yan. And up until now, I am on my second journey of breastfeeding sa aking bunso. 2 years and counting. So ginamit ko po powders and supplements of Herbalife. And bonus na lang po talaga yung over 60 pounds na aking weight loss and 6 inches on my waist. Ang pinaka nagustuhan ko po is yung energy ng nabigay sa akin and improve yung aking health concern na talagang yun po yung pinaka gusto kong naramdaman. And of course, yung talagang feeling lighter, feeling better each and every day. So because of that results, grabe, I am turning 12 years this month po of using Herbalife products. Grabe, amazing. Tinake advantage ko po yung best discount na sinabi sa akin ng aking coach, which is the 50%. So kinuha ko po yun because dahil po sa magandang results na aking naramdaman, of course, share ko po ito sa aking family, sa aking friends, sa aking mga classmates. Ayan. So with that po, ang background ko po pala dati ay ako po ay isang special education teacher. So tinake advantage ko din po yung business opportunity na meron ang Herbalife. So ginawa ko po siya for part-time ng 2 years while being a teacher. Pero nakita ko po talaga yung magandang side ng business opportunity, kaya tinake advantage ko na po as full-time. So right now, I am a full-time mom of 2 and of course, a full-time Herbalife independent distributor. So paano ko po ba siya ginagawa as a full-time mom? So by doing social media, um, shake party, and ngayon po yung pinaka trending is the NC Light. So sa akin po ay walking NC Light. So talagang dinedeliver ko siya personally sa mga clients. And of course, this one po ang ating virtual nutrition club na nakaka-help pong maboost ang ating confidence, yung mag-gain ng more knowledge, learnings, di ba? So talagang magandang package na po ang binigay ni Herbalife, not just by using the products. But of course po, binigyan tayo ng magandang community na tulad na meron tayo ngayon na kahit malayo tayo sa isa't isa ay nagkikita tayo dito online. And of course, we have our team's 21-day weight loss challenge. So yan po yung aking mga daily methods of doing this Herbalife. And of course, ang pinaka nagustuhan ko din po is yung mga trainings, yung mga travels. Ayan, type nyo po dyan travel kung gusto nyo pong maka-experience or gusto nyo mag-travel, di ba? So, pinaka nagustuhan ko po yung mga trainings na na-attendan ko like spectacular and of course extravaganza na meron pong mangyayari this May. So ayan, very exciting. And with that po, nakita ko din po yung time freedom na pwedeng maibigay sa'yo with Herbalife. Tulad po ng nararanasan ko ngayon as a full-time mom of 2. And of course, I'm very grateful po na I am a present parent po sa aking dalawang anak. Ayan. And of course, ito po yung pinakamaganda. Just last Saturday po, habang nasa galaan po, ayan, naka-share po ako ng program, isa pong sachet, and of course, just the other day, isa naman pong canister. So, kung ito total nyo po yun, wala pa pong 1 week, meron na po akong 2,000 na income with that 2 programs. So, amazing po talaga. by just sharing your results and of course, what is Herbalife all about. So ayan po. Thank you. Ito na po ang special topic natin for this morning, carbohydrates and exercise. So bakit ba kailangan, why you need carbs if you're active? So wag mo sabihin na hindi naman ako athlete or hindi naman ako laging nag-exercise. Basta po meron kang ginawang um, activity, you are already active. So this topic is from Dr. Dana Ryan, our Director of Sport Performance and Education. So let's watch this video po para malaman po natin what is carbohydrates.
Carbohydrates are one of the big three macronutrients, along with protein and fat. Carbohydrates are one of the big three macronutrients, along with protein and fat. When you eat carbohydrate, it enters your bloodstream in a form called glucose, which is your body's preferred source of fuel. And your brain, in fact, relies on carbohydrate for energy. Vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and dairy products are some of the best sources of carbohydrates. When people say that carbohydrates are bad or should be avoided, they're usually talking about sugars and refined carbohydrates like white bread.
Ng sound check.
Ayan. So that video po is from Susan Bowerman. Ayan. So I hope meron po kayong nakuha doon. And of course, ano ba yung carbohydrates? Ito yung most important source ng fuel ng mga athletes sa kanilang diet. So take note, sabi ni Dr. Dana Ryan, we are all athletes. We have our athletes in us. Ayan. So meron tayong athlete's soul, yan, athlete's heart, di ba? So of course, maraming misconception na ay carbs masama yan eh. Ay carbs bawal yan, di ba? So ganun yung mga mostly na sinasabi. But what is the truth of carbs? Yung mga healthy carbs, take note, healthy carbs, ito yung mga kailangan talaga natin sa ating daily nutrition. So ngayon, alamin natin yung top 5 reasons why these healthy carbs are beneficial and hindi natin siya dapat katakutan or iwasan. Okay? So number 1, carbohydrates fuel the brain and muscles. So for our brain, it is the main source of energy. While for our muscles or for our whole body, it is it can help yung carbohydrates na mag-produce naman ng energy. And of course, kung i-compare natin sa kotse, sa mga kotse, ang kailangan ng kotse para gumalaw or umandar ay fuel, di ba? Gasoline. But sa ating katawan naman, ang kailangan para tayo ay magkaroon ng energy ay carbohydrates. Okay. So number 2 reason, carbohydrates prevent muscle breakdown. So kapag kumain tayo ng enough carbohydrates, matutulungan natin yung protein sa katawan natin na gawin yung talagang job niya sa ating katawan, which is to repair and rebuild yung muscle tissues. So kapag nilimit natin or kulang yung carbohydrates intake natin, yung protein hindi siya mag-repair and rebuild ng muscle tissue. Ang gagawin ng protein is magiging energy source siya. Hindi niya magagawa yung main job niya. Okay? So kailangan natin ng adequate amount ng carbohydrates. And of course, common sa mga athletes, 'di ba nakikita nyo mostly ang pag-consume nila ay protein after workout. Pero ang key to recovery talaga is protein plus carbs. Ayan. So take note, ang key to recovery is ay protein plus carbs. So number 3 reason, carbohydrates should make up the majority of the diet. So sa mga athletes, talagang yung may mga high intensity, mga strenuous exercise, mga trainings, talagang dinedemand ng katawan nila yung high carb diet. Kasi mabilis naman nila yan masunog, mabilis naman nila yung ma-burn. And of course, sa mga individuals like us, na it will vary yung mga yung kailangan natin na carbohydrate sa ating katawan. Kasi depende din sa mga exercise or sports na ating ginagawa. But majority of our diet is in carbohydrates. So number 4 reason po ay carbohydrates before a workout will boost your performance. Ayan. So makakatulong to sa pag-maintain ng ating glucose, blood glucose sa ating muscles kapag nag-fuel tayo ng adequate carbs 1 to 2 hours before exercise. Ayan. And according to Dr. Dana Ryan, piliin natin yung pre-workout snacks na mabilis ma-digest. Like, ayan, banana, and talagang yung ating mga doctors are really proud of the products. So they really promote our products. So one is the Herbalife 24 Formula 1 Sport. So yan ang pwedeng makahelp to boost ang ating performance sa workout. So ayan po ang ating Herbalife Formula 1 Sport. So type nyo po dyan F1 kung natikman nyo na po ito or na-try nyo ang Herbalife 24 Formula 1 Sport na merong 9 grams milk protein and it of course, it support lean muscle mass. Ayan, so F1. Masarap po yan, milky. And of course, the last reason bakit wag nating katakutan or i-avoid ang healthy carbohydrates. So of course, carbohydrates accelerate recovery. So ito ay yung carbohydrates matutulungan niyang ma-replenish yung energy na ginamit natin during a strenuous exercise or any other activity or training, di ba? And yung muscles, kailangan niyan ng protein and carbohydrates. Tulad nga ng sinabi ko po kanina, protein and carbohydrates are the key to recovery and para mas mag-rebuild and repair yung mga tissues. And of course, kapag nag-repair and rebuild yung muscle tissues, magiging stronger muscles po ang magiging outcome or result if you do it with the right recovery, with the proper recovery. Ayan. So, I hope ito po yung ating Herbalife 24 Rebuild Strength. Diba? Type nyo po dyan, rebuild, of course. Kung natikman nyo naman or na-try ito, ating Herbalife 24 Rebuild Strength, talagang napakasarap and talagang chocolatey ang lasa, di ba? You can't resist. Talagang hahanapin mo after a workout, di ba? So talagang with this, talagang I really trust Herbalife Nutrition because Herbalife has been recognized as a super brand in the Philippines. And of course, we are number 1 in the world with meal replacement and protein supplements combined in weight management and well-being, and of course, in active and lifestyle nutrition. Thank you so much and have a great day po.
Yan, ang dami natin natutunan. Hindi na tayo tapos sa carbs ngayon, di ba? Dahil kay Coach Cheng, maraming tinuro sa atin. I-type po natin sa ating chat